I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery, Bluetooth on Windows, and Solo 3 in pairing mode. Turn the headphones on, then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. On your PC, open Settings, go straight to Bluetooth and Devices, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, choose Add Device and select Bluetooth. You'll see Beats Solo 3 appear. You're now ready to connect. Don't skip driver updates later. You select Beats Solo 3 from the Add a Device list and click Connect. Windows negotiates the link. If a PIN box appears, try 0000, otherwise accept the pairing prompt. This is normal for legacy Bluetooth profiles. Once paired, open Sound Settings and set Solo 3 as the default output and communications device to ensure media and calls use the headphones. Make sure audio profile is set to stereo for music. If audio drops, check Bluetooth driver status and update the adapter in Device Manager. You finish by verifying settings. Confirm the Solo 3 is selected in Sound Advanced and that the stereo profile is active for music. If the connection fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on in Windows, remove the device from paired devices, then repeat Add Device to repair. This resolves most soft issues. As a last resort, reset the headphones by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED changes, then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.